Good morning. What time is it?
Mama.
Yeah, it's 10:01.
Mama, I need 10:01 too.
You're 10:01.
No.
Can you make sure you put your...
I did 66611.
I see. Can you go and put your magnets away for me, please? We're going to the nest today. Go put your magnets away or you're not going, mate?
Mama, we can...
Where are my shoes? I've lost my shoes. Yeah, we're going to the nest today in Norwich. It's a really cheap day out. We're going for a couple of hours with our friends. Fox's new tablet is coming today, hopefully. I've just changed my name. This is very exciting. Just done it by deed poll, so the application is in. I just need to pay for it, but they're just going to send me a link when I need to pay. I changed my name previously when I was pregnant with Mika, so that we'd all have the same surname, but I don't want that name anymore because it's Ben's name and I don't want it anymore. So I also didn't want my original name because that was my dad's name and he's a cunt. So I have used my middle name, which is Lane, because that was my mum's maiden name. And then I've added my great granny's maiden name as my middle name. So my initials are now LLL, which I love. Yeah, the skip is coming today. There's a lot happening, but I need to go and make sandwiches because we're having another picnic out today at this place we're going to with our friends. I feel like there was something else I wanted to tell you and I can't remember it. Nope, it's gone. I'll talk to you later.
I don't like sour sugar.
We're at the Challenge Woods at the nest. Oh shit, that one was sour.
Whoa! Wait!
We're just waiting to meet our friends, they're not here yet. I just got some
We want another.
sour laters. When I was pregnant with Fox, I'm not exaggerating, I must have ate 3 packets of these a day, at least. I just love the sour and like the burning on my tongue. I'm just going to fill you two with Fox won't eat them either, so I'm going to fill them with sugar before they go and burn it off on this thing. It's awesome, this place is. I'll show you. Look. Like a huge adventure playground. I obviously... Are they here yet? I obviously can't film when I'm on there because there's loads of other people's kids. But I'll try and do a little bits of snippets and show you.
Villa, Villa, Villa.
Look at you. Hi, Ari. Good jump. What we got for dinner?
Pizza. You call me a broken boy.
You're not a broken boy. Ari, don't call him that, that's mean.
Me who did. I didn't.
Ari's already admitted it. Yeah, we've got homemade pizzas.
Mama.
Yeah, I'll get your juice. Mine's in the oven, just filming. Mine's not fucking ready yet. Just had some edamame beans. And they weren't as good as Waggers, and now I'm grumpy because I want a Wagamama's. And I can't have Wagamama's because they're expensive and the kids don't fucking eat anything in there. Where's Fox's juice? On the floor, obviously. Where else would it be? I've been trying to tidy today and the kids are just not having it. They've been outside all afternoon. Every time I tidy anything, they just make a mess. Our skip is not here yet. Don't know why. It's 20 to 5, so I thought it would have been about now, but we'll see. We came home from the nest earlier on and found 4 different piles of cat sick, so that was fun. I don't know who did that. Was it you, Chip and Linda? Was it you? Oh, Chinippy. Oh, Chinippy. Oh, Chinippy. Was it you? Or was it... Where's another one? Was it you? Did you vomit on the sofa? Oh, I think it was probably Bandit. Where's Banana? Banana? Or one of these two. Probably this dickhead. Gary, did you vomit? What are you shouting about? What are you shouting about? Oh, Nana. What are you shouting about, my baby? Where's Gary? Gary! He's a good boy. He's got his funny fangs. What a good boy. Ben's just rung the kids and said he's coming to see him tomorrow. What is that face? Mika looks livid. Oh, I changed my name today. I probably should have started with that. I can't remember if I told you this morning. When I was pregnant with Mika, like, fuck me, she's 9 this year, so a long time ago, when I was pregnant with Mika, I changed my name by default, my surname, to Ben's surname. And so we all had the same one. And I decided today that I no longer want that name. So, yeah, I've changed it. So I'm now no longer Lucy Pert. I have a new name, and it's very empowering. And I want to go out and get drunk and celebrate, but I have 3 children to look after, so alas, I cannot. I think I've just burnt my pizza. Oh my god, what the fuck has just happened to my pizza? What has just happened to my pizza? What the fuck has just happened to my pizza? What is that? What is that? What is that? What the fuck is that? Oh my god. Oh, it's sinking, we're okay. Oh my god. Oh, she's all wobbly. Oh my goodness, this looks amazing. You are just gonna get all up in my face. There is ham on there, not that you can see it. All that sticky cheese. You two, you bugger off and eat your pizzas. Look at that. Oh, cheese. Get in my face. Oh, shit. Oh. Right. Oh, I'm going to eat pizza.